first thing that I want to show you is replacing the sky. Right now, the sky in this photo is blown out. It's white. It's not that exciting. Before this option was given about a couple of years ago, before then it was so difficult to replace the sky. It's such a pain in the butt. But now you get to simply go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and watch this. Boom! Look how crazy that looks, doesn't it? Isn't that insane? So I'm going to, you could just give it a day sky maybe. Should we make it into a day or should we keep it into a sunset? I think I'm going to give it a little sunset sky. Something dramatic. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it's got a handful of skies, but you know what's crazy is that if the handful of a sunset photo that it gives you, you're not happy with it, look what you can do. You can actually go to your Chrome and put sunset sky and then go to images. And on the right hand side, click on that quick settings. So that way you could do advanced search and make sure you get a high quality sunset, because a lot of them are low quality. You don't want to put a low quality sunset on your awesome photo, right? You want to put a high quality one. So maybe at least 4 megapixel. And we'll say advanced search. Now everything here is 4 megapixel and bigger. So I'm going to find a sunset that I think might be cool. This might be okay. I'm gonna open up that sunset. Just to give you an example, right click on it and save it, save the image in my download folder. And on Photoshop, you get to click on this icon, click on the gear, get more sky, import images, go to your download and click on that sunset photo. Yes, the sunset sky, open. Now you get to use your own sunset replacement in here. You know, it's not what I was looking for. Sometimes your first hit just isn't the best. But anyways, you get to kind of mess around with the settings over here. I'm going to make it a little bit brighter. You can make it bigger or smaller. So you can have this multiple selection you could just have fun with. I'm going to say okay. Then I'm going to merge the photos together. Yin yang right over here. Push play. Now what I like to do with my little LUT over here is that this is lighten and dark. Okay, so lighten, the first one, the lighter. Get a brush. B. White color since it's mask, okay? And then, I don't know, give it about 60%, and I'm gonna make them bright. Look at that, look at them pop out. Boom, right? Darker. Now, brush, white. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and make the outside a little dark. So that way, it looks like they're in focus. Everything else kind of disappears into the darkness, and they're the one who just pops out into the photo. Look at that. It's already starting to look really cool. So I love this little action right over here. Let's merge this together. Boom, just like that. And now you get to make these people disappear. Fine, let's go in. And the cool thing about Photoshop is that they actually do an amazing job of getting rid of things, okay? So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna get rid of this people right over here. Could be better, but it's not too bad, okay? There you go. You know, because if you zoom out, you can't tell, right? It just looks like some kind of nice little statue. I'm fine. I think it looks great. But just know, you could always go in there and fine tune it, play with it, stamp it, for example. So you get to use patch tool, circle it, and select, drag it over to left hand side. You see how that little pillar, I'm able to mimic that pillar to that pillar. And when I let go, oh, not bad. Not bad. When you zoom out, there's nobody there. Look at that. Good. Save it. Command S. Okay, so I have my top 15 wedding photo action LUTs on the Koji link below. And if you guys support it, I thank you so very much. And I also have an ebook for sale too, at $10 if that's okay. I do have a link below if you guys are interested in my little ebook on how to photograph weddings. I got photo samples and just all these things that you need to prep for. And it's a good guide to help you get ready for your first wedding or your second or third wedding. So if you do get it, thank you so much for supporting me and my family. If you watch this all the way through, I appreciate you. Please leave a comment. And I would love to chit chat with you, because my job here is to just spread the love, the knowledge. I've been doing it for photographing for so long. It's just nice to just be able to share and help other people grow too. So that's my goal in life right now. So hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.